Hey y'all, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video is sponsored. It is sponsored by Picasso Tiles. So Picasso Toys is also what they are affiliated with. Sent me some toys that I feel I wanted to unbox for you all because as a teacher, I love adding things into my classroom, especially if they're sponsored. Kiddos love when you add new things into your classroom, so I thought that we could unbox this together. And there will be a code and link in my description box down below so that you all can go and check those out. And if you use my code, you get a certain percentage off in order to add things into your classroom. So this is a sample from Picasso Tiles that was sent to me that I am unboxing. So in this box, there was the Picasso Tiles magnetic tile building blocks with the car base. So the car base is here. This is what is going to be in here, and there's also a free carry bag that comes along with this. So this would be great, especially if you have like a student who needs a break. This will be great for them, especially because it can come in a bag. And then there's a car base. So when you open this package up, which is down at the bottom here, you open it up and all of the magnet tiles are in here. So this is a 61 piece, and this is for any age. Also, I see a lot of teachers using these for like downtime or inside play and things like that. So when you order magnet tiles, if you've never had them in your classroom before, magnet tiles work just like this. They will be magnetically stripped together, and they'll also do it to where if you put one on top of the other, it doesn't drop. So with that being said, there are plenty of colors that these things come in. They come in like green, pink, purple, blue. They also have green, and they also have a pink, and sometimes they do come in red. Sometimes they do come in just different colors. So the car base is right here. You could easily use this to string along and build along here. Down in here as well is just a paper, along with, just like I said, some other different types of tiles that you guys can use. So that's a plus as well. And there's an idea paper down in here on how to be creative, if I can get it to come out. So down in here, there's a paper that teaches you like an idea booklet on how to be creative. So you can give the kids ideas of things to build. And then of course, it gives you ways to follow them on each platform that they have. So this is amazing. Like I said, anyone in their classroom, this is a really great start to using the magnet tiles. And if I didn't show you guys already, here's the carrying bag that it comes with. This just simply opens like this, and then you can put all the magnet tiles in here and drawstring it together to keep them in a bag if you wanted to like put them at a center or at an area. I will be taking these with me to work and adding these to my play area for my kindergartners. So thank you guys so much to Picasso Tiles for sending me these magnet tiles that I can take and put into my classroom. If you all like this little sample, be sure to go down in my description box down below, click on the link and use my code to get you a certain percentage off. And I hope that you all check out some of the other great items that they have here on their website.